First, let's outline the basic shape of the eye. Draw a circle shape, well add the iris and pupil for the Byakugan. Then add the almond shape for the outer eye. Now let's add the signature Byakugan details. Draw the veins around the eye, which are a key feature of the Byakugan. Let's start with the base color of the iris. Using a light purple colored pencil or marker, gently fill in the entire iris area. Make sure to apply a light layer at first. We can always build up the color later. Now that we have our base color down, let's add shadings in the skin to give it depth and three-dimensional look. Let's fill up the colors in the skin. And there you have it, Hinata Byakugan. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below which Naruto Shippuden character is your favorite. See you next time.